So let's talk about paragraphs. And let's talk about for a second how we got to where we are today. It's very common today for teachers to teach paragraphs in terms of acronyms. Acronyms that are popular are things like PEAL or SEED or SEXY. Every letter corresponds to a component in the paragraph. So for example, PEAL. The P stands for point. The E stands for explanation. The second E stands for example. And the L stands for linking sentence, or link to concept, either. This was okay, but what I want to talk to you about today is that this was actually only the elementary step. It was never the destination. And one of my concerns is, I often work with teachers in senior years in high school now, teaching senior classes, who are still teaching these rudimentary structures to their students. That's deficient. It will cause your students to underperform in examinations especially. And it will limit or retard the capability of that student on a page to demonstrate deeper, insightful thoughts. So in this segment, I want to alert you to the fact that we're about to begin with paragraphs, but I want you to think about a journey. And what will the journey be for your students in your school, in your classroom, as they begin with what we're going to call linear structures and move to non-linear paragraph structures that enable them to deliver on a page in a written form the sort of deeper thought that as a teacher you want.